Thanks for stopping by the channel today. We appreciate it. So today we're going to be installing interior LED lights. These lights came from LED Parts Now. You'll see on the description that it says the LED lights are replacements for 2015 to 2018 Dodge Chargers, but I found these through other individuals who had either 2020 Chargers or 2021 Chargers, and they work just fine. So right there you can see a comparison on the dome lights. On the right side is the LED light that's been replaced. On the left side is the regular light. Much wider, much brighter. All links for the products will be in the description below this video. So to start out with, I had this kit that I got for Christmas to go along with it, the interior trim removal kit, and when I got ready to put the lights in I couldn't find it, so I resorted to this. So disclaimer, I'm not recommending that you do this with a pocket knife or a screwdriver. I'm recommending that you get a nice trim removal, interior trim removal kit, and have some plastic tools to do this. However, you'll see in this video I use my pocket knife, and I also use the bent nose, needle nose pliers to get the lights out. So here we go. So this dome light is the only one that I actually found that was a little bit difficult to get out. Just be careful. Now from that point, with the back still in, you can put tape around the light and try to pull the light out without pulling the back side off. I tried that and I could not get that to work. User error probably. If I was more patient, maybe I could. So I went ahead and took it all the way out, and there you go. There you see the light that came out. There's the bag of LED lights, and different sizes for different places. So you'll see this one. There it is. It just pops right in. You can put them in upside down or backwards, so always check. And it's hard to tell if it's what's positive and what's negative. So for me, it was just a trial and error. Once that light's in, get that back on and in place, and she works. The vanity lights, again, you can see that one was already changed on the right side to white, very white, and on the yellow, left side, very yellow. So it popped out nice and easy. The cover did, and then the light comes right out. And then you'll see the LED has a plus and minus labeled on it, but it's hard to tell because it's not labeled on the connection. But you can see when it gets in there, it is super white. And then pop the cover right back on. Very bright and white vanity lights to go along with the white dome lights. So far so good. Why these cars don't come with LED lights from the factory, I don't know. Makes a huge difference for a minor investment. So next up is the glove box. This one's exposed. You can see it right there. It's pretty easy to get to. And once you pull this one out, then it's a matter of just putting the LED in. I think the first time I put the LED in, it was backwards, and I had to pull it out and flip it over to the other side. Again, a few of them I had to do that with, so it was just a bit of trial and error. Okay, you're going to have to trust me on this one. For the back seat overhead lights, the camera was not running when I was filming it. So therefore, when I finished and realized that I had to go back out at night when I was done in my garage and film this short piece. What I can tell you is there's a couple of tutorials out there that show that you have to disassemble this entire piece at the top to change these lights, and that is not true. As you can see right there, the cover pops right off and you have direct access to the light. You change the light bulb. Now to put it back in, you do have to pull that handle down to get in behind it, but it clips right in nice and easy, and there's no need to disassemble anything. So there you go, very easy. So moving on to the trunk. The lights in the trunk has one on the right, one on the left. This cover was very easy to take off. Just pry the bottom, work around the sides and to the top, and you can pull it out with your fingers. This light's a little bit different the way it connects. It has it's got those hoops on the end, so it's cylindrical, and it has those hoops, or those hooks you can see. So the bottom is flexible, so if you push up on the bottom, it gives some relief at the hook at the top, and so the hook at the top comes undone very easily, and then you pull it off the bottom. So install the same way. You hook it on the bottom first, push it up, and that bottom has some play in it or bends, and then you can hook the top, and it's a done deal. Make sure you face it the right direction. You see there, first time I put it in, I had it backwards and had to turn it over. And you see once that light's in, just carefully set this back in its hole and just push it in, and those clips snaps right in, nice and easy. So we'll go back in and see the trunk with both sides replaced. So underneath all the doors you have what I call curb lighting. So this is looking at the bottom of the door frame. And again, same kind of thing. It has the same kind of light that you saw in the trunk. So once you get it out, it has the same bulb replacement, same kind of clips that go in. So easy to do. The difference is you're laying on the ground looking underneath the door. So I'm super happy with the LED light replacements, especially the ones under these doors. You'll see that it really lights up the ground. So at night when you open those doors, you can see. So this is my garage. I closed it down, turned all the lights out, and just to show you the contrast, so you can see those LEDs underneath the door will really light up the floor or the ground. Super visible. And you can also see how bright and everything is on the inside from the LED lights. So again, I'm very happy with it, and for 20 bucks. And if I wasn't filming this, I could have probably finished it in about 30 minutes. So well worth the time. Again, as a reminder, all the links will be in the description. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and we'll see you on the next one.